Bago ka mangutang at saka bago ka mangutang sa credit card mo, wait lang. Hindi porket nandyan, mangutang na tayo. Use it wisely. One thing na hindi natin masyadong kadalasang pinapansin is yung total interest doon sa utang na yan. Ang paminsan, what we fall into is always looking at magkano ba yung monthly na kailangan ko bayaran. And kung mukhang kaya siya, go, utang tayo. But we don't look at it on a bird's eye view or a whole picture. For example, I want to make this as an example here. Kung nag-cash installment ka sa isang credit card mo. Now, this cash installment offers a 1% monthly add-on rate. Now, depending on kung ilang months mo uutangan yan, yon yung effective interest rate. Annual effective interest. Basically, kada taon, magkano yung interest na babayaran mo. From the looks of it, pag ino-offeran tayo ng ganitong utang na to, mukhang ay 1% lang, mukhang mababa. But we fail to usually look at magkano ba yung annual effective interest rate niya. Now, the best part here is what I want you to do before you take on that utang na yan is tingnan mo magkano yung monthly amortization. Yung monthly amortization yan, always multiply it by the terms or ilang buwan mo uutangin yung pera na yan. And then, pag nakuha mo yung total amount na yan, always deduct it doon sa magkano yung principal amount or magkano yung inutang mo. So, for this example here, nakita nyo, di ba? If mangutang ka for as long as 36 months, guys, isipin mo, 36,000 worth of interest ang binayaran mo for that 100,000 installment or 100,000 utang that you made with a credit card. Yes, mukhang mababa nga, 3,777.78 lang naman ang babayaran ko buwan-buwan. But if you look at it in a bigger picture, 36,000 ang binayad mo sa interest na yan. Ano magagawa mo with that interest? Kaya bago ka mangutang, guys, always think. Number one, kailangan mo ba talaga yung utang na yan? 'Di ba? If talagang kailangan mo siya dahil may nangyari or for business expansion mo and you think okay sa'yo, kaya mo bayaran yung monthly amortization, okay sa'yo yung total interest that you're going to pay, go. But if mangutang ka because of your luho lang, 'di ba? Kasi gusto mo lang yung latest phone, latest gadget, latest bag, whatever na yan, at wala kang pera na yan, or hindi budgeted yan para mangutang ka lang ng ganyan, think twice.